Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's pack hair.
I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
Welcome to my channel where I do ratchet shit with my hair and don't care. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cardi B and I'm back with you again with another video. Now if this is your first time coming to my channel, go on and click that subscribe button as well as like. And guys, I need you to click that notification bell. Find me on Instagram if you gonna go over to Instagram. My name is I am Cardi B. It don't get no more boring than that, okay? And I know I've been a little inconsistent, but it's because my event is so close. I can almost smell it. I can almost smell the salmon. I can almost smell the sweet potato. I almost smell the steak. Might have a steak, maybe steak. But if you're in Orlando, you're more than welcome to come. It's for anybody who wants to learn how to make money on Instagrams. Yeah. Anyways, I miss you guys so much. The last time I posted a video must be like 4 weeks ago, and that sounds about right. that sounds about right. Like, I'm not that consistent on YouTube, so thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. So today I'm with this look, Outre Boutique, and a lot of my Outre, I don't even know, Outre, O-U-T-R-E. It's a Jamaican water weave. It comes like with 5 pieces. It's like 116 pack, 118, 120, 122, and it has like the part with the scalp, whatever that means. But yeah, so it came with all of that. But you know, I'm gonna show you how I do this. I mean, it's not like y'all never seen this before, but you know, your girl got inches. No, I just need to, like, you know, act classy with it. No, I'm just freaking with you. I decided to give Shea Moisture another try just because I've been running out low on like products. I got a whole bunch of products from Shea Moisture. I got the raw shea butter deep treatment mask. I got the Jamaican castor, black castor oil strengthening and restore leave-in, and then I finally got their shampoo because their shampoo is the only thing that ever really worked for me. But you guys need to stay tuned for these results because you guys really need to see what I think about Shea Moisture. I almost said Maui Moisture. Lord have mercy. Did I tell you guys that Maui Moisture reached out to me on Instagram? Yo, should I do a video about that? Let me know down below. And I know somebody told me that they wanted to know what I did to my Instagram to learn how to grow. So that's gonna be my absolute next video. If not my next video, within the next couple of videos that I have, and I'll be actually posting quite more often, so you'll be seeing it within the next week, okay? I should start doing shout outs to everybody who comments down below with very meaningful comments, you know? I like that. I like when you guys say stuff, even when you guys be bashing me, because you guys be bashing me a lot. But thank you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'm done with talking, so let go. Sorry. Alright, so do I need to say that I started on a pretty musty twist out? So, let go. Yeah, so I started off with the raw Shea Moisture shampoo and okay. Oh my god. Don't you play with me, Shea Moisture. Don't you do it. You was banned last year. Like, what the hell? Damn. Okay, so I'm liking the way how this feels like a co-wash. This feels like my hair is being moisturized. I don't know, like, don't you be playing with me, boy. Listen, gotta put you back on in rotation. So we can't just jump on the Shea Moisture bandwagon as yet. Let's go ahead and wash him out and see what happens. Anyways, this is my hair after washing it and it feels like it's already conditioned. So I'm gonna go in with my raw shea butter deep treatment mask. Yes. and about to use that. Like, so I'm not using the same line, but I am using the same brand. That counts for something, right? Who else opens their products with it? It smells like nothing. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like shea butter. I feel like I got gooped. Okay, so me just putting it on. What does it feel like? What you feel like, Zaddy? Like, I'm just trying to figure out what it's supposed to feel like, because my hair was feeling good and now it's feeling a little weird and my hair is falling out. Like, kind of weird. And I should be sectioning my hair, but my hair feels so, like, manageable. I don't feel like I need to do that right now. Just like not tangled up or anything. It just kind of feels. Like, it doesn't feel like how my normal mask would feel, like with slip. It doesn't really have any slip. It's just kind of like take it like it is. It literally feels like when I put raw shea butter in my hair. So, but then it doesn't feel like that consistency. So I don't know what it's doing, to be honest. This don't normally happen when I put a mask in my hair, and I've already detangled it. So me know what the hell going on though. So I'm gonna go wait like 30 minutes, probably get some work done, and then I'll be right back. So will I go? Okay, you guys, I think we got a winner. I think we have a winner. Okay, I went ahead and did all of that, and now I'm going back to the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Alright guys, so if you guys been following me for a while, you know that I rocks with this leave-in conditioner. However, I don't know why it was not absorbing in my hair, so I just decided to, you know, go with the flow. So my hair is stretched right now, and I have it parted down the middle, and here is where I started messing up. So first, I took my favorite Style Jam, but look at that tiny amount I put on the top. I needed to have it on every layer of my hair, but I only put it on the top part. Like I ain't got 4C hair. Now this brush works wonders. I got it from the hair store. It was like $1, but not even that could save me because I didn't, you know, make sure my entire hair was smooth. And look at those muscles. You see how hard they're getting? That means I'm in over my head. So now that I have my hair in a pony and I try to slick it back, here's where I went wrong again. The edges. Girl, you know, edges are make and break to a hairstyle. And although I feel like I may have perfected my edges, look what I did. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at myself. Yep, I put on that stupid scarf. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? My hair, my edges needs to be a little dry before I put the scarf on, but I just put it on while it was still wet, so you guys know what happened next. This is my bun. Hello, little guy. So if your bun is cute or whatever, by all means, you can stop right there. But I'm trying to slay it a little bit. So I'm going to get my little friend. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the 20 and the 22. So this is the 20 and this is the 22. Start off with the 22 first at the bottom. It's gonna be the first layer. I'm gonna take the track, and it's already folded, right? Go shake it out. Give it that natural. Oh, okay, okay, honey. You don't need to tangle up right now. Okay, we're doing a video. So I'm gonna take this weaves and I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to loop it through like so. So it's gonna be hanging from the weave like so. Then I am going to just pin it in. Oh, guys, make sure you're paying attention. And wrap it around. Come on, mirror, come through, come through. Hold on. And it's gonna be really hard. Now I see why my mom does this in chunks. Okay. So I'm just gonna wrap it around very slowly to make sure that I don't get it tangled up. I'm gonna go ahead and secure it with another bobby pin. Cause girl, if you try to be bougie and that bitch come off, don't say Curly Bae didn't warn you, okay? So then I'm gonna pin it in some more. So you see it's like really thin right now. It would be so much easier if I didn't have on this tropical headband, but we need to make sure we secure the edges too, okay girl? So this is what it looks like so far, and we're just gonna go back in again with another pony, and this one is the 20. Okay, now all right, so now it's all straight. Shake it out. Oh, that's the one end, so that part end is open. This is where the fold is. Sis, we gotta secure the ponytail, but it's nice and thick, girl. Girl, I feel like spice. I feel like spice. All right, so now you can see a little differentiation with my hair and the weave. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm just gonna get a little like brush and just kind of like brush it just a little bit, just to kind of get it a little frayed. Not too much though. So I don't know what happened, but I lost a little footage, but I did take some extra weave, some pack hair, and I just kind of wrapped it around the ponytail so it could look a little bit more natural. I mean, like as natural as purple hair is gonna be, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Actually, let me dim the lights a little bit.
Me and Benjamin Franco stay at the banco, getting checks like Nike everywhere that I go. Yo quiero dinero.
So, if you guys made it this far, thank you for sticking with me through my mess. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not. I love you guys, and remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are Curly Bae. Besos.